There's so much to be said about the office holiday party. I'll start with the advice that I give 20 somethings that are just new to the workplace, and that is to perhaps not even think of this as a party, but to think of it as an office celebration, an opportunity to meet your colleagues, to make an impression on people that you haven't interacted with before, um, and to meet people on a personal level. From an employer's perspective, we need to remember that because this is a work-related function, the rules continue to apply, the rules are not suspended. It's perhaps an opportunity to remind employees of what the EEO and harassment and hostile environment policies of the company are. From an employer's perspective, what is the most serious legal risk in connection with the holiday party? That's connected with claims of hostile environment, discrimination, sex discrimination, but also other discrimination. We need to bear in mind that the standard for liability is severe and pervasive behavior by an employee, a supervisor, a co-employee, or even by an invitee that is directed at a person because of a discriminatory criteria, and that the employer knew or should have known about the activity and didn't take effective measures to cease the activity. So an employer can be held liable for actions that occur during any office party, and all rules of the workplace should be carried into the holiday party or any office party. The issue of alcohol is one that is on the minds of most employers as they begin to plan events and parties outside of the office. Surveys show that most employers continue to serve alcohol at office parties, particularly at holiday office parties, but they're taking stricter and stricter measures to control the use of alcohol and the surroundings in which alcohol is served. The steps that are being taken by employers. First, they limit the time of the office party, perhaps moving the party to an afternoon event away from an evening event. They may control the amount of alcohol or the type of alcohol that is served. They may limit the hours that the bar is open. They want to make sure that there is abundant food and non-alcoholic beverages provided to employees. Some employers are moving to cash bars and donating the proceeds to charities so that that will minimize the amount of alcohol that is consumed by employees. Many employers are assigning monitors to employees to nip inappropriate behavior in the bud and to perhaps dissuade employees from continuing to drink if alcohol seems to be the problem. One significant measure that many employers are beginning to take is to offer some sort of transportation home to employees who have been drinking. And that would include cab vouchers, Uber vouchers, or other forms of transportation arranged by the employer. Although that might not particularly limit bad behavior during the event, it certainly will minimize liability with regard to drunk driving following an office-related event.